Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special guest. This is Amanda.
Hi.
She's like, what do I do? She's never been on here before. She's the one that is always in the live chat. So anytime she has been the one that is doing all the, helping out with that. So if you ever see Amanda Luna down there, this is her. So today she's come in because she's down here helping me. We're doing a bunch of pre-recordings. We're making a bunch of baby supplies, baby shower stuff, but we thought this would be something to share with you because I've found it quite expensive, but we're going to do it on the dollar. Okay, so what we're going to do here today is I was trying to find, I'm fixing to make, which I'm going to try to do a video on. I'm trying to make the balloon garland, right? So I wanted some balloons. I was going to order some off of Amazon because certain colors. I did find pretty much what I need at Hobby Lobby, but I'll show that later. Dollar Tree does have a ton of colors as well, so always check the Dollar Tree first. I don't remember how many came in a bag, but I think it was like 20 to 30 in a bag at the Dollar Tree, just so you know. But there was a certain balloon that I was wanting for the garland, which was a confetti balloon. But these on Amazon are like $15, I think, for 6 balloons. 15 for 6, 15 for 12, something like that. It's expensive. So, and I need silver. And so I thought, well, let me go look at Hobby Lobby. They didn't have any. We don't have a Party City. So I thought I'd go check the Dollar Tree. Well, guess what? They had the confetti, but these, will you pass me the color confetti that came out of here? Those, right. So when you get this balloon, if you look at the package, don't get discouraged because it looks, they're full of colors. We'll bring it down. Get that down, camera. Don't get discouraged because it's all these colors. So now if you need these colors, great. But if not, don't get discouraged if you need them to be gold or anything like that. You can just put different color confetti. So the confetti that we're using today, this is from Hobby Lobby, and it was $4.99. You could use a coupon on this. And this is just little round circles. So this is silver confetti because that's what I needed. You could also take a circle punch and make these on your own. You could do it with tinfoil. You could do it with paper, cardstock, whatever you wanted to. The Cricut party foil would be perfect. And I actually do have a punch, but I didn't have any silver. So I just purchased these, but I highly recommend if you've got any of that party foil that you need to find something for, utilize it for this. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take this, and then we're going to take our balloon and create this. So she's going to help us out. We've already done this many so far. So this is what the balloon looks like. It's about this color, but when you blow it up, it's pretty clear. So hopefully you guys can see those down in there because of all this lighting. So when you shake them around, they kind of do stick. All right. So we're going to show you how you're going to do this. I picked up several bags just to be on the safe side. If I have to go back and there is none, this is quite amazing for $1 compared to 15. All right, so she's going to show us what to do. This is what comes inside. These are paper, like, what do you call this, construction paper?
Yep.
No? I don't know. It's not super thin paper, but these are the colors. They're quite big, and it comes with a lot in each one. But you could utilize this for something else. Stick it in a Ziploc baggie. So what she's going to do, you need to come up further. All right. So she's going to take the balloon, and she's going to hold it open for me. And then you can either just push up from the bottom and just pop them right out. And then you're going to take a little pile of these. It don't take very many, but just take a little handful. That was quite a bit. So a little handful like this. Hopefully y'all can see. And we're going to drop them down in, just like that. All right, and then we'll work on the next one. So I'll have these ready for the next set. So the next one, so you really need 2 people to do this. So hopefully you can see that. She's just gonna pop that out, which one person could do that, but I don't see how you could stick these all in by yourself. So I don't think you could. You're gonna have somebody, maybe your kid. You can have your kids help you out. Scoot in just a little further. There you go. So you can, all you're gonna do is just drop them inside. So we'll do a couple more of these. So just like that, let's go. A couple more piles going on here. She can just push those out and I'll hold the confetti.
You probably could do it yourself if you had like a tube.
Uh-huh.
And that?
Okay, we're going to try to create some way. Which one? Yeah, okay.
Probably a smaller one.
She's going to try to see. I'm going to get the stand frame. All right, she's going to see if we can't pull this off if you were by yourself. All right, she's going to put it around like this is just like the rolls on your Cricut vinyl. Or you could use a paper towel, and then you're going to pop them in, and then you would just roll it back off. Pretty smart there, Amanda. And then you just pop it back out. It's like got a grip on me, but hey, pretty smart. Let's show that one more time. So if you have Cricut vinyl, hopefully you do. If not, use a paper towel roll. Once again, she's just kind of popping it on. You could then just do it like that. And then you're going to take your confetti, drop it in, and then just roll it back off. Pop it off. Cool. So just depending on how many you need, like I said, that comes 6 in a pack from the Dollar Tree. $15.99, I believe, from Amazon. For I don't remember if it's 6 or 12, but that's insane. So there's just a quick tip from us. So it's going to be a super quick, simple video. But hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.